Tonight, defense attorneys for a new Tampa mom on trial for murdering her own children are getting ready for a big day in court. Julie Schenecker's attorneys are expected to call their first witnesses to the stand tomorrow. Our Carson Chambers joins us now with what we can expect. Carson?
Our legal expert giving us some insight tonight. He says the trial really begins tomorrow when the defense starts its case. Schenecker's attorneys have the burden of proving that she was insane and not just a mom fed up with her mouthy teenagers.
Do you understand that? Counsel, you need to take more time with your client because
Julie Schenecker broke down sobbing before a judge yesterday.
I think part of it is that her condition, the stress of the trial and her condition is probably deteriorating.
Jeff Swartz isn't a doctor, but is an experienced attorney, judge, and Cooley Law School professor who's seen this many times before.
Remember that they give her the drugs that she needs to have, but not in the kind of levels that would keep her so calm that she would not understand what's going on around her.
Swartz says the state has put on a technical case trying to prove Schenecker planned and executed the murders of her own children, trying to paint her as an angry mother who just didn't want to deal with her kids anymore. Now the defense must convince a jury she was insane when she pulled the trigger.
There has been this feeling among the public, for the most part, discrediting the insanity defense. There have been attempts by many states, including Florida, to try to put the insanity defense very low in the ability to prove it. They have done everything they can to limit its use.
Even though an insanity defense may be a long shot, Swartz says jurors will likely hear from a doctor who will assert just that.
I anticipate that his testimony will be ultimately that he finds that she did not understand the nature and the consequences of her acts, and that she did not understand the difference between right and wrong at the time the events took place.
And he says that doctor cannot testify she was insane. The jury must make that leap if they believe she didn't know right from wrong. I'll be live tweeting from court tomorrow morning at Carson Chambers. Back to you.